BMW 2016 X1 with a dent on the left front fender. The dent is actually located on the body line, roughly about 5 to 6 inches across in width, and then also from probably about 4 inches from the top to the bottom. If you do look closely in this before, you will see that the bottom body line is also hit very slightly. And you'll see that kind of with the light that we show when we pan through this. So the top body line and the lower body line actually both had damage on it. So you'll see the width of the damage within the before video here. So, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started. We're gonna be removing the fender liner to gain access to the damage. We're probably gonna be mostly using flat bars, maybe a couple sharp tools just towards the end. But mostly we're gonna be using a lot of flat bars, soft tips to get a lot of this metal up. Go ahead and knock the crown down, work that body line a little bit more, and overall should probably take about a couple hours and have a good, nice finished product. Let's take a look.
Hey guys, Chris at Dentless Touch. If you're interested in learning paintless dent repair, we now offer a one-on-one course. Link will be in the description below. Now back to the video.
So with these BMWs, the metal actually moves very, very well. So what I use actually first is a soft tip tool, preferably a larger, softer tip. Either from Dentcraft, a red or blue tip, or maybe a 1-inch rubber ball. For me personally, I used a blue Dentcraft rubber tip. I just like the way they push and really are able to bring that metal up nice and smooth. My actual approach is gonna be to work that bottom body line first, get that straight, work my way up, and then actually hit the body line itself. Once I am in the body line area, the top body line would be knocking down that crown and pushing the body line up. And it's gonna be a back and forth motion between those two areas. I think that has been kind of just the most complicated area. Just the initial impact with the body line and working the crown as well. All right, guys, so we're finished up with this BMW here. Let's go ahead and let's take a look. As always, we do appreciate all of you guys taking the time to go ahead and watch all of our videos. If you are looking for more videos like this, please go ahead and check the videos page. You can see a lot more repairs there. If you are looking for more information on training, please head to our website at dentlesstouch.com for more information on that. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.